Okay guys, welcome back. Today is episode 3 of our Honda Element build. Now, what does every Honda boy want on a 5-bolt Honda they own? I'm going to show you today when I put my winter rims on. You may be asking, what do you mean winter rims? Those rims are garbage. They should be winter rims. Now, I want winter wheels for style. So we're going to change the wheels right now. Unfortunately, the tires are a little small, and then we're going to go to the tire shop and get our winter tires put on, guys. So let's have some fun.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love.
So anyone that likes Hondas likes a set of waffle wheels. So we did get a set of waffle wheels for $500, and then we did get a set of winter tires for $200, which are going to be a 235 60 17, so give me a little more wheel well, so they won't look as small. We are going to lower this anyways, but not this video. We are putting factory Brembros on the front. On our Honda Element that is new is our roof carrier. So we did get the roof racks when we bought the SC interior at the U-Pole, and then I did find the roof carrier for $60. So it's a good deal. I'm going to end up painting it, but to give you an idea, this is going Battleship Gray, so the gray up there might actually match the Battleship Gray. I'm a little nervous with her. You can get tons of room. I don't think you're going to get out of the garage, though. What? I don't think you're going to get out of the garage, though. No, I'm not. So, tires are on, but we're going to hit the roof, as you can see. So now we have to air out all the tires and get it outside. It's not even that big of a tire. You know what that means? It won't go in my garage either.
What, you got a 7-foot door?
Yeah.
Yep, you're fine.
And I got to put it on the hoist to do brakes.
What?
I got to put it on my hoist to do my brakes.
You're going to have to swap on stock tires.
I'm going to take the roof off. Or open it. How about I open that? So air's out. They're getting on the back.
Get on the back, Todd.
You ain't gonna hurt nothing.
You're going to hold the door up, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good video.
You're clear in there. Keep going. I don't know if we're gonna clear the other. Keep going.
Keep going.
Go super slow.
Super slow.
Keep going. Hold on. Are you gonna drop soon? Keep going, but slow. Okay, hold on. This is fucked. Okay, go slow. Once you get under this hip, you're good. Keep going. Keep going.
We're good.
Keep going. Get back. Yeah, here you go.
All right.
Okay, you can put air in. Keep going. I'd keep going just in case, because if you only have like.
It's pretty, right there, you're good now.
I was, but. So we're at the junkyard, and we always check out the Honda Elements because we have one. What did we find on this Honda Element, you may ask? Something that I'm surprised, because the taillights are gone. People have been picking up this car. We found gold. As Jeff is down there on the ground, I walked by and saw the tip, and I was like, man, that's weird. It is a full stainless steel exhaust in jet technology. Unfortunately, someone tried to cut it right there where the cat is, so I can weld that up. And this is all-wheel drive. So it's on an all-wheel drive setup.